Want to transfer a property fast without title headaches or legal roadblocks? Here is what most real estate investors get wrong about quit-claim deeds and how to actually use them to your advantage. Hey, I'm Eli, the DSCR Pro. I help real estate investors like you understand the market, find smart loan options, and turn today's challenges into tomorrow's cash flow. If you are investing in real estate, especially here in New York, New Jersey, or Connecticut, but really anywhere nationwide, you have probably heard of a quit-claim deed. But let me break it down in plain English from an investor's perspective. What is a quit-claim deed? A quit-claim deed is one of the simplest ways to transfer property ownership, but it is also the one with the least protection. It transfers whatever interest the person has in the property, if they even have any at all, without any guarantees. When does it actually make sense for investors? Let me be clear. You're not using a quit-claim deed for your next investment property purchase. At least not if you are serious about protecting your investment. But here are smart scenarios where investors do use them. Transferring property between family members or business partners. Think adding your spouse or partner to the title of your investment property. Moving property into an LLC or trust. Savvy investors often use a quit-claim deed to transfer a rental into their LLC after closing. Though, always check with your lender first, especially if it is a DSCR loan. Clearing up title issues or name corrections. Got a typo on the deed? This is your fast fix. Divorce, partnership dissolutions, or inheritance transfers. Life happens. A quit-claim deed makes transferring ownership clean and simple. Let me give you a real deal example where we built relatability and authority. Just last month, I had a client in Jersey transferring a duplex into their LLC for liability protection. We used a quit-claim deed, but here is the key. They already own the property free and clear. If there was a DSCR loan on it, whole different conversation. Always talk to your lender before transferring title with a loan in place. So here is the bottom line. Quit-claim deeds are a useful tool, but they are not a shortcut around due diligence. And they are definitely not a replacement for smart strategic financing. If this helped you, hit that like button and follow for more real estate investor tips. And if you want to know which DSCR loan or creative financing options fits your deal, schedule your free strategy call with me. Let's turn today's challenges into tomorrow's cash flow.
If you want to learn how to use financing to grow your portfolio, check out my DSCR loan tips and tricks playlist. Inside, you'll find powerful strategies, lender insights, and real-world tips to help you close more deals and maximize your cash flow.